Filtration. This is the third lecture of filtration. In this lecture, we will study types of filtration, different types of filtration equipments used for filtration purposes. Previous cases we have studied about filter media, filter aid, different filter assembly, its parts of filter assembly, theories, along with applications of filtration process. Now, first part is the classification of filters. So, filters are classified according to three different categories. First, based on the application of external force, filters are classified into three types: pressure filter, vacuum filter and centrifugal filter. Pressure filter example is plate and frame filter press or meta filters. Vacuum filter example is filter leaf. So, based on operation of filtration, it is again classified into two categories, that is continuous filtration and discontinuous filtration. Third classification type is based on nature of filtration. What are they? Cake filter, clarifying filters and cross flow filters. So, these are the different types of filters or classification of filters as per their need. So, the first filtration equipment which we will study is plate and frame filter press. What? Plate and frame filter press. Now, construction of plate and frame filter press. As the name suggests, plate and frame, that means two things we are using, one is plate, another one is frame. So, both the things are used combinedly in a filter press, then that filter press is called as plate and frame filter press. As it is explained, it consists of plate and frames, both are arranged alternatively. That means, frame, then plate, then frame, then plate, then frame, then plate, like that. In alternate manner, plate and frames are arranged. What is plate? A plate is a squared shaped structure. The shape of the plate is square. It may be 4 into 4 inches or 4 feet to 4 feet. That means, the size of the plate lies in between 4 into 4 inches to 4 feet into 4 feet. Okay. Frame. So, plate is a squared shaped structure with raised edges, edge of plate should be raised. Frame is a hollow structure and the thickness of frame is between 2 to 15 centimeter thick. So, the size of plate and frame are same, both are a squared shaped structure. A filter cloth is placed on the surface of the plates. Okay. So, what are the things that are required in a plate frame filter press? One is plate, another one is frame and filter cloth. The arrangement of this plate and frames are, they are hung alternatively on the tension rods and compressed by a hydraulic press or device. There are two types of plate and frame filter press, one is non-washing type and the second one is washing type. So, first we will study about non-washing type plate and frame filter press. As the name suggests, non-washing type, in this case washing is not taking place or we are not doing the washing cycle. So, in this type the plate and frames have hole at one of the top corners. That means, on the same side corner both plate and frame both are having holes of same size. Okay. the holes in the plates and frames are aligned to form a continuous channel, that what I have explained earlier, through which the slurry is fed. The holes which are present on the frame, that holes open inside the frame, but the holes on the plate are not connected to the inside. We will see in the next slide, we will see the diagram, then it will be much more clear. So, this is a diagram of frame, this is plate, and this is the filter cloth which is used over the upon the surface of filter plate. So, all the three have a hole in the top corner on one side. Okay. As you see in the diagram, जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ एक होल है और ये होल क्या है, इंटरनल पार्ट में फ्रेम के कनेक्टेड है. As it has been explained in previous slide, that the hole which is present on the frame, it is connected to the inner side of the frame, but the hole which is present in plate, it is not connected to the inner side. On the plate there are perforations, that means different holes are present. Okay. At the bottom part of plate, outlet system is attached through which filtrate is collected. This is the cross sectional view of plate frame assembly, okay. And these are the arrangements of plate and frame. What type of arrangements? First frame is attached, then plate is attached, then frame, plate, frame. So, alternatively frame and plates are attached to each other. This is a slurry inlet point, the slurry is entered. Where it is entering? Into the frame. Into the frame the slurry is entering, and through this frame it is passing both sides onto the plates, that is the plate which is just below the frame and the plate above the frame. Here also you see the from frame the slurry is passing to the plates, and from the plates the liquid is passed and the solid particles are retained into the frames, and through this outlet the filtrate is collected through this filtrate outlet. In a similar fashion, in all the frames you see the slurry is entered and it is passing to the after filtration the liquid is passing to the plate, and from the plate we can collect the filtrate outlet. Above the plate filter cloth is present. This filter cloth helps in the removal of solid particles from the slurry. You see there are buttons to identify the plate and frame, because both are a squared shaped structure and looks, by seeing, if you see this, both are having the similar shape. So, there are buttons over the plate and frame to identify them. One button it is a plate, two buttons it indicates a frame. So, 1 2 1 2 1 2 like this, this is the arrangement of plate and frame. So, this is a typical example of non-wash type plate frame filter press. Now, operation of plate and frame filter press, what happens? The slurry is pumped through the channel and it enters inside the frame only. As I have explained in previous case, slurry is entering into the frame, not in plate. As slurry is pumped, pressure is developed inside the frame and the pressure is 100 psi. Up to this amount of pressure is developed as the slurry passes through the frame, and due to this the slurry gets filtered with the help of filter cloth which is present on the surface of the plate, and the solid particles and the liquid particles both are separated. The filtrate passes through this over the plate and collected from the outlet which is situated at the bottom of the plate. There are two types of filtrate collection system. One is open collection system and another one is closed collection system. That means, open collection system means as soon as the slurry passes through this plate, the filtrate is collected out. In case of closed collection system, the system is closed initially, as some amount of liquid is filtered and it is collected into the plate. After that, the system is opened and the liquid is collected out. Washing time. The second type of this plate frame filter press is washing type. In washing type, there are two cycles, one is filtration cycle and another one is washing cycle. In this case, first button, this is plate, 2 button frame, and another plate is used, that is called as 3 button plate. First plate, you see that the holes are not connected to the inner side of plate. In frame, the hole is connected to the inner side of the plate. In third case, that is wash plate, that is also called as wash plate, there are two holes on the top side, one on the left and one is on the right. So, the right side hole is connected through the inner side of the plate. Arrangement of this plate and frame in this case is 1, 2, 3, that means first plate, second plate, third plate, then second plate, then first plate, then second, third, 2, 1. In this fashion, the plates and frames are arranged. Okay. Washing type. Washing type of plate frame filter press, this is required when the cake needs to be washed thoroughly with washing liquid. So, as it has been explained in previous slide, there are two different types of plates are used in this case. For identification of plates, we have used buttons outside the system. 1 button plate 1, 2 button frame, 3 button wash plate. Okay. Here also you see 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, like this. So, the arrangement of plate and frame wash plate is always in the order of 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 button. In this way, the plate and frame filter press is arranged. Operation of plate and frame filter press. Wash type filter press has two cycles, that is filtration cycle and washing cycle. In filtration cycle, slurry is passed through the slurry inlet and with this slurry inlet it passes to the frame. From frame, it is again, you see in the diagram, the 2 button indicates frame. From frame, the liquid is moving towards the plates which is attached on both the sides of the frame. Okay. So, the filtrate is collected into the plate 1 and plate 3. So, from both these two plates, the filtrate we are collecting after filtration process, and the cake is formed within the frame, that is 2 button. Now, washing cycle. The second cycle is washing cycle. In washing cycle, what happens when the cake is formed within the frame slurry inlet, then the slurry inlet channel is closed, okay, and wash liquid inlet is opened up. Through this wash liquid inlet, the liquid is passed. This wash liquid inlet, the liquid is entered into the plate. Which plate? 3 button plate. Okay. So, the outlet of this 3 button plate during washing cycle is closed, so that as the liquid enters into this 3 button plate, it passes through the frame and takes out the cake, and the wash liquid is collected from the 1 button plates, while all the 3 button plates remains closed. तो बेसिकली क्या होता है, वॉश टाइप प्लेट एंड फ्रेम फिल्टर प्रेस में 3 चीज़ें लेते हैं. एक प्लेट 1 जिसको हम इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं सिंगल बटन से, फ्रेम लेते हैं जिसको इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं 2 बटन से, और एक वॉश प्लेट होता है जिसको इंडिकेट करते हैं हम 3 बटन से. इनका अरेंजमेंट होता है 1 2 3 2 1. ठीक है. तो जब स्लरी इनलेट करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है, फ्रेम में आता है, फ्रेम से फिर दोनों तरफ मूव होकर जाता है, फिल्टर होकर सॉलिड्स केक जो है वो फ्रेम में कलेक्ट हो जाता है, और फिल्टर्ड जो है वो 1 और 3 फ्रेम से प्लेट से हम आउटलेट के थ्रू कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. ड्यूरिंग वॉशिंग साइकिल क्या करते हैं, हम 3 बटन प्लेट जो है उसमें लिक्विड पास करते हैं. वो लिक्विड किस में जाता है, फ्रेम में जाता है. फ्रेम से पास होते हुए फिर उसको हम ड्यूरिंग वॉशिंग साइकिल क्या है, फ्रेम का जो आउटलेट है उसको क्लोज कर देते हैं. 3 बटन प्लेट्स रिमेन क्लोज्ड, और 1 बटन प्लेट से सारे लिक्विड्स आफ्टर वॉशिंग कलेक्ट हो जाती है, कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. तो इस तरह से क्या होता है कि केक जो कि फ्रेम के अंदर है उसको हम कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. ये चीज़ हमने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में एक्सप्लेन कर दी. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मटेरियल्स दोज कैन बी फिल्टर्ड विथ प्लेट फ्रेम फिल्टर प्रेस आर बिस्मथ सॉल्ट्स, precipitated antitoxins, removal of precipitated proteins from insulin liquor. So, this is the basics of this plate and frame filter press, that is of washing cycle. Advantages of plate frame filter press: construction is very simple, wide variety of materials can be used, cast iron, bronze, stainless steel, rubber, etc. It provides also a large filtering area in a small floor space. Capacity of this press can be increased by increasing the thickness of frames and the number of plate frames used. Strong construction, it can withstand very high pressure up to 20 bars. Washing of cake is possible in this case, and the filter cloths can be renewable, that after one use we can change the filter cloth and wash it, and it can be reused. So, disadvantages of plate frame filter press: it is a batch filter, so in between batches time wastage is considerable. The filter press is used for slurries containing less than 5% solids. Running cost including labor cost is high, so only expensive materials are filtered through this plate and frame filter press. Filter leaf, it is another type of filtration equipment. Generally it consists of frame in which a drainage screen or grooved plate is there, through which the filtrate is collected. The whole unit is covered with filter cloth. The outlet of the filtrate is connected to the frame. Okay. The frame which are used, it may be of any shape, that is circular, square or rectangular. Okay. Method: the whole assembly, that is the filter leaf assembly. How we are using this? We are placing this filter assembly inside a container of slurry, and vacuum is applied onto this slurry. So, after application of vacuum, solids, what happens? Solids are accumulated on the cloth. and the filtrate which is present in the slurry, it passes through the outlet. So, in this way this filter leaf assembly works. Okay. So, the cake which is deposited on the filter cloth or on the cloth over the cloth is washed. How we are washing it? We are taking out this filter leaf and immersing the filter in a vessel of water. So, due to this प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर, जैसे कि हम इसको निकालते हैं, निकाल के वाटर के अंदर इमर्स कर देते हैं, डुबो देते हैं, तो उससे क्या होता है कि जो केक है फिल्टर लीफ के ऊपर पड़ा हुआ है वो वॉश आउट हो जाता है। उसके बाद डुबाने के बाद क्या करते हैं कि इसमें हम एयर को पास करते हैं रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में। जैसे प्रीवियस केस में हम क्या कर रहे थे, जब हमें फ़िल्टर करना हो रहा था तो हमने वैक्यूम अप्लाई किया, तो जिससे कि केक ऊपर रह गया और लिक्विड पास होकर अंदर चली आई और फिल्टर हो गई। अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, अंदर से एयर प्रेशर डालेंगे, एयर फ्लो करेंगे, जिससे कि एयर अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में प्रेशर एग्जर्ट करता है, जिससे कि फ़िल्टर केक जो है वो क्लॉथ से हट जाती है। तो इस तरीके से हम केक को रिमूव कर सकते हैं। दिस इज एन डायग्राम showing the filter leaf. So, this is the portion from where filtrate is collected. These are the drainage screens. This is the frame in which this screen is attached. So, this whole assembly is put into the slurry where the filtration, whose filtration is to be needed. So, after applying vacuum to this portion, what happens? The liquid passes into it, or filtrate is entering into this drainage into this system, and the cake through this filter cloth, and the cake is deposited over the filter cloth. As soon as the liquid is passing through this screen into this area, filtrate is collected out. For during washing cycle, what we are doing? We are applying flowing air through this, and this air is coming out, exerting some pressure onto the filter cloth, and the cake is removed from the filter cloth simultaneously. Filter leaf. Next type of filter leaf is Sweatland filter. Okay. So, it is also a type of filter leaves. Sweatland leaf filters, these are enclosed within a special cylindrical vessel from which slurry is pumped under vacuum. So, during this process, let us see the arrangement of this Sweatland filters. In this case, all the filter leaves are connected to a common outlet. Okay. The upper part of cylinder is fixed, the cake is removed by compressed air. So, let us see the diagram. This is the slurry entry point. Okay. All the filter leaves are connected to a single outlet, that is from here we can collect the filtrate that is coming out of this filter leaf. Okay. So, as soon as the slurry enters into this Sweatland filter or enters into this medium, the filtrate, it passes through it. So, as soon as the slurry passes through the different leaves, filter leaves, and the filtrate is collected, can be collected through this filtrate outlet, that is common filtrate outlet. So, this type of arrangement is called as it is used in Sweatland filter. The advantages of this filter leaf is by applying vacuum, pressure difference can be obtained or by using pressure up to 8 bars. See 8 bars तक इतना हाई प्रेशर ये रेजिस्ट कर सकता है. तो प्रेशर डिफरेंस कैसे ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं? बाय अप्लाइंग वैक्यूम वी कैन ऑब्टेन द pressure difference up to 8 bars in case of the Sweatland filters. Area of filtration can be increased by increasing the number of leaves. That means, these filter leaves, if we are increasing the number of filter leaves, then the area of filtration can be increased, which leads to increase in rate of filtration. Okay. These equipments high efficiency of washing, that means washing of filter leaves, we can say that efficiency is very high. Disadvantages of filter leaf, in this case maximum concentration of slurry can be filtered is 5%. This is the disadvantage of this filter leaves. Okay. So, what we have studied till now? One is plate and frame filter press. Plate and frame filter press are of two types, that is Bosch type and non-Bosch type, and the second equipment we have used for filtration process is filter leaf assembly. So, in case of filter leaf assembly, we have studied one simple filter leaf and another one is Sweatland filter. So, with the help of these filters, filtration can be done. Okay. In Sweatland filters are having more advantages as compared to normal filter leaves, because by increasing the number of filter leaves we can increase the area and rate of filtration also increases, and due to the arrangement of this Sweatland filter is such that it can withstand very high pressure. Okay. So, these are the references from where we have collected. So, in this case we have to study about the keep in mind that in this case what are the different types of plate and frame filter press that can be used for a filtration process. This is a question that may come during your examinations, or explain the working principle of plate and frame filter press. Thank you.